morning, Facebook family and friends. It's Jeff coming to you from 50 on 50. Day 13. I'm in California. Had a great evening yesterday, staying with Lisa and her husband in their home and having a home cooked meal, and they are very gracious hosts, and I'm very appreciative of a change of pace and getting to see and spend some time with some friendly faces. Got over here to Arlen Ness Motorcycles this morning, hopefully getting them to squeeze me in for an oil change on the bad boy here. A little bit over for the 10,000 mile service, but I'm here a little early too, so I'm hoping they can get me in today instead of having to wait to pick my motorcycle up until tomorrow. But keep this thing rolling, get back to Tennessee. Anyway, yesterday was a long day. I put in just over 500 miles. Most of which was desolate, open country across the loneliest highway in America in Nevada. And then I got into Carson City. I think I uploaded a little preview of the Moonlight Bunny Ranch drive-by. And then got to cross into the Sierra Nevadas there, the mountains by Lake Tahoe into California. And then finally down to Tracy, California to stay with Lisa and her husband. That's really all it. Today is just an easy day. I plan to spend another night here, and while I'm here, get to the end of 50 in Sacramento, which I didn't get done yesterday because of the hour and that kind of thing, and maybe a couple other sightseeing things, and then first thing in the morning, head over to the Pacific Coast Highway and start setting south, and then cut inland to Bakersfield tomorrow night. Anyway, that's all I have to report today. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. So here I am at the Arlen Ness Motorcycle, and this is the Arlen Ness Museum. It's on the mezzanine floor above the showroom. Julian, the director of service here, told me about it and sent me down here. So far they've treated me like I'm a special guest here from Tennessee, and quite pleasant. They're trying to work me in for an oil change, get me back on the road. This video is just for my buddies in the crew who might appreciate some cool machines. That's cool. Hookster. See the inside lights. That's a crotch warmer.
Did I see?